welcome to Fluid Art by Christine. How are you guys doing today? I am doing great. I am so super excited. I talked to Karen from Flow Acrylics on the phone today, and I am very happy to announce that we are going to be doing a collaboration. Paintings. We're calling them twinsies, and I'm not going to tell you what we're going to do, but that video is going to be coming up, and look for it. So she's going to be doing one, and I'm going to be doing one, and we've already decided on the method and the colors, and I'm super excited to be doing that. I'm not doing that painting right now, but that video will be coming out probably this weekend, very, very soon. So really excited about that, and excited to talk to her on the phone, and she's so nice, and that was fun. So I wanted to show you guys the dry results from the painting that was bold blue, black, and gold, and it dried so nice. So nice. Look at the cells, and really loving this one. I did the Wreck It like Karen does, and wow, do I love that. I just love it. So really, really happy. It's got the nice sides, and most of the cells kind of melted away on the sides, but it still looks really cool. I like that. So for the painting today, I guess I'm going to turn the camera down and go ahead and get started. I just want to say hello, tell you guys about the collaboration coming up, and I'm going to get you guys ready and we'll get painting. I almost forgot. I wanted to show you the inspiration for the colors that I chose today, and my husband paints. He does a different style of painting, and I'm going to show you. So one of his paintings is inspired my colors. I'm going to show it to you right now. Pretty framed and everything, but so it's a sunset at night with black, yellow. I'm going to put some gold in it, and orange. Maybe a little bit of red. I don't know. I'm on the fence. So that's the inspiration for today. Okay, here we go. So the colors are Flow Acrylic White, Flow Acrylic Black, Basics. The orange is the cadmium orange hue, this one. I do favor that orange. Old Gold from Artist Loft. And the yellow is the yellow medium, cadmium yellow medium. You know what, that feels a little thick. Hold on a second. I think it's gonna be okay. And I put in 2 to 3 drops of the Spot on treadmill belt silicone in the 3 drops in the ones that have a little bit bigger of amount, and 2 drops in the ones that only have a little bit in them. You can put too much in there. We don't want too much. And I'm just going to go ahead and start filling up my cups. So I'm going to start with white. I'm excited. I've actually tried this color combo before, but it wasn't with the black. And it was, I don't know, I don't want to call it a total fail, but it was not that great. So hopefully the black will make this one great. Just so I am going to put a little bit of red. This is the Algerian Crimson Hue by Blick. Because you know how in sunsets, let me put some gold right here. Sometimes there's like a pink in the sky, but I didn't want full on pink in the sky. So just a dash of red. I may not put it in again. in the yellow. And the gold. Kind of hoping this one will match in my living room, match my red couches. It's not easy making paintings with red in it. So now that I'm finally broke the chains using black, I'm gonna probably try some more paintings with red, just because it will look good. You know, I said I wasn't gonna use it again. Maybe I won't. A little bit. I reserve the right to change my mind. Little white right here, because I'm going to put some white on top. Orange. It's probably too thick. I always say that and then it turns out good. Okay. I'm doing gold again because my gold loves to sink. Dash of black. Oh, do I want to put black and then white? Better not do that because that'll go straight up gray. Okay, I'm just going to top it off with white. This is not a big canvas. All right. This is just to help it go over the corners when I need it to. It won't fight it so hard. Because I have it gallery wrapped. Couple lumps. It's that darn Floetrol, I'll tell you, even though I strained it. Gotta watch out for that. Okay, here we go. Time for flip. Oh my goodness. Power is flickering. We're having a little thunderstorm here in South Florida. Or, well, I say South Florida because that's where I'm from, but I'm actually in near Daytona Beach. So, North Florida a little bit. We haven't had rain for 2 weeks, so really need it. Just waiting for that to come down. Whoa. I did wreck it. Practiced. Just like an S. Let that open up a little bit. Not sure about that. Come on now. My lights are flickering. This looks a little weird. I hope some pretty cells come out of it. Right there. So much of the oranges I put in there, huh? It's right here in the center. Okay, let's tilt. It's already wanting to really spread out. Definitely trying to keep as much orange on the canvas as I can. Don't know if I like the color combo. Got a little green ish color. I can always dump that off, can't I? Nice. Okay, so don't know if I like the colors, how they mixed here. So no, not a hit, but the cells look really nice. And I'm gonna go ahead and torch this middle area again. Whoa. That's a wild little booger. I'm gonna roll it around just a tiny bit. That center is not the best center. Get the cells to open up. I'm just going back and forth, not dumping anything off the edges. But I'm feeling that I can go ahead and let some of this go, and it may help the center look a little better. That ugly cell, that can go. That looks a little better. Do you guys see how I did that when I first hit that with the torch? It just looked, and then once I rolled it around, then it gave the center something to look at, you know? I think I might be able to keep this after all. This area is really, but torching it again is not going to do that any help. That spot I don't like right there, I'm going to do a balloon kiss, just a single balloon kiss. right there. Gilly rice cube style, because the cells are beautiful on this, and it may take some of the attention off of that brown. Maybe I can bring up some orange or yellow or something. Okay, so this is the area that I'm talking about. I'm gonna just give it a balloon kiss, and that's gonna be the only spot. Famous last words, right? It really dripped. Okay, now I'm gonna leave it alone. Okay, everyone, so here it is, and I'm pretty happy with it. I don't know what caused the brown. I mean, gold tends to look brown, but I think all in all, it does work, and I'm really glad that I did that with the balloon kiss, because it looked terrible on that spot. So let me just go over the whole thing up close. Really nice yellow lined black cells there. Really juicy, pretty cells. That pink right there is that little bit of red that I put in there because it hit the white. And then that yellow in the center. All in all, it's a keeper, right guys? Yay! You want to see the sides? So there's the sides. That one's not interesting. But look at that pretty cell right there. You know, we always find our pretty cells. Ooh, if they could all look like that, right? Ooh, ah. All right, guys, thanks for joining me. And look for the video, the collaboration video with Karen from Waterfall Acrylics. If you guys haven't heard of her, you've got to go to Waterfall Acrylics and her YouTube channel. And she's amazing. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button for more videos. Like my video if you like it. And I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye now.